Welcome to the free offer strategy. I hope this will help you optimize your affiliate marketing campaigns, grow your audience, and increase your conversion rates. The main goal of the system is to give you in a simple format the knowledge you need to see the big picture and help you take action by following easy practical steps that anyone can do even if you have no technical skills. Reading is the best way to consume this content, so make sure you read the ebook at least twice. You will learn how to attract a targeted audience and engage with them with valuable content, build trust and credibility by providing high quality stuff, grow your audience, increase conversion rates, and optimize your marketing funnel. So make sure you read the ebook at least twice. So you will get two main benefits from this system. First, in theory, you will learn how to make your audience see firsthand the value you bring, making them more inclined to explore your affiliate offers. And on the practical side, you will learn how to set up affiliate funnels with this easy to follow and implement step-by-step tutorial. Now, before we start the setup process of your copy of this funnel, let me give you just a quick overview of how the free offer strategy system works. So you send traffic, targeted traffic, to a high converting capture page that offers a valuable ebook teaching people how to use the free offer strategy to grow their business. If they like what they see and they are interested, they will click on this button here to access the training and the ebook. Two main things will happen here. After they click the button, an opt-in form will pop up here on the middle of the page asking them for their email address, and when they opt in, they will be taken to the thank you page where they can consume the content, they can see the training, and they can also download the ebook and read it. The second thing is that they will be sent right away to a bridge page, which is just your affiliate link for this funnel that will make you 50% commission throughout the funnel. This will allow you to make a few sales right away after they opt in, and keep in mind that when they opt in, they will be sent a welcome email that sends them to your thank you page where they consume the content, they will see the training, they will also download and read the ebook. This button here on top will send them back to your affiliate link that will make you 50% commission throughout the funnel. And the good thing is that for the next 9 days, they will receive every day an email, a follow-up email that will provide some value and send them back to your copy of the thank you page where they can upgrade, and also they can follow you on these three programs, affiliate programs that are aligned actually to the main free offer that we are promising here. So if you set up your funnel properly, you will be having an automated system working for you 24 hours a day, and all you have to do is send traffic to your capture page. Now, to duplicate the free offer strategy affiliate funnel, I try to make it as simple as possible so that anyone can follow and do it. So create a list on Leads Leap, import the capture page and thank you page, import the pop-up opt-in form, and then attach the pop-up opt-in form to the capture page, and you attach the pop-up opt-in form to your list so that your subscribers come from your capture page and go to your list. Then you attach the thank you page to the list so people will be sent to the thank you page, and then you import and rebrand the follow-up emails, and finally you rebrand your pages, the capture page and the thank you page, by putting your own affiliate links. Step 1, let's create a list on Leads Leap. Once on your Leads Leap account, go to the left side and click on List Manager. Then click on the button Add a New List, give it a name, let's call it FOS List, and then click Add New. you will have to click on this gear here and enter all the information about your list. So you'll give a brand name for your list. Usually I use the same name here, and then we will be back later to put your copy of the thank you page right here, the link for your copy of the thank you page right here, so that your subscribers will be redirected to your thank you page after the opt-in. You can choose to receive or not a notification when someone opts into your list. You give your name, you give your email address, the verification code for your email address, your real physical mailing address, and then you tick this button here and you click Save and Activate. I just did that, and as you can see at the bottom it says here, this list is now activated. So if you click again on the gear here, I have a list that is already activated, and we just need to come back later and put our link for the thank you page. Next step is importing the capture page and the thank you page. So we need to go to the left side and click on Page Manager here, and as you can see there are no pages. I click on Add a New Page, I give it a name. So let's give it CPFOS for Capture Page Free Offer Strategy, and then click Add Now. Well, you can create the page yourself, but you can also import it using my share code. So if I click here, add a new design, you can create it yourself or just put a share code here and import it instantly. And this is what I'm going to do right now. So as you can see, I just pasted the share code there and click the button, and now I have a new page. And if I click on the link here, you will see that I have the same copy of the capture page I showed you before. Now let's go ahead and create the thank you page. Click Add a New Page and give it a name. Let's call it TYFOS for Thank You Free Offer Strategy. Click the button, and as usual we will click here, and then we will paste the share code and click Import Now. I just did that, and I have a new page which is active, and if I click on the link here, you can see that we have a thank you page just like the one we saw before. The next step will be importing the pop-up opt-in form. And to do that, you need to go to the left side and find the menu that says Form and Pop-up Manager here and click on it. There are no pop-up forms yet. Click Add a New Campaign and then give it a name. Let me call it FOS Form. And then click Add a New, and of course as usual we can add a new form by making it ourselves or just importing it by using a share code, and this is exactly what I'm going to do. And here is my pop-up form imported, and it has the campaign ID 26569 as you can see right here. I will need this number actually just to attach it to the capture page. Now let's go ahead and attach the pop-up opt-in form to the capture page. And to do that, I need to go back to the Pages menu, Page Manager here, find my capture page, it is right here, and then click on this button here to edit, and go at the bottom and find Insert Pop-up here. Open the list and you will see the pop-up form that you just created. So select it and then click Save. So it's not done yet. I need to do something else. I need to attach the button that is on the capture page. I need to attach it to the pop-up form so that anyone who clicks the button, the pop-up form will show up. So I will click on Launch Editor so I can modify things in my capture page, and I want to go to this button here, click on it, and on the right hand side you want to select this option here, Initiate a pop-up campaign, no opt-in, and you can see here grayed out the number that we saw before, 20 and then 569. This is the number of the campaign ID for that pop-up form. Don't forget to save the changes. Now you are sure that this capture page is attached to the pop-up, and anyone that clicks on this button here will make the pop-up opt-in form show up for them. Now we want to attach the pop-up opt-in form to your list so that anyone who opts in goes to the right list. And for that you need to go back to the left side and find the Form and Pop-up Manager, click on it, and then you want to enter the pop-up design by clicking on Launch Editor, and you will see now the design of the pop-up that will be shown after people click on the button on the capture page. And what you want to do is find this place here where it says list. As you can see, it says invalid. Click on it and then click get list ID, and you will see the list that you created previously, so just select it. So like this, you just attach this pop-up form with your list that you created previously. Now here is a very important thing that you need to do if you want to make commissions with the system. In this spot here, remember, we send people after they opt in immediately to your affiliate link for the free offer strategy. So your affiliate link for the free offer strategy needs to go here, and then you want to save. So anyone who opts in will be taken right away to your affiliate link. So you can ask me, how do I get my affiliate link? So when you open your copy of the thank you page on the browser, you will see this link here, get your affiliate link here. Click on it and you will be on the Warrior Plus JV page, where there will be a button right here that will allow you to request approval. If you are a customer, if you bought the offer yet, you will be automatically approved. So you get your affiliate link from here, copy it, and then go back to the editor where you were and paste it here. Make sure you put your affiliate link right here and then save the changes, of course. Next, you want to attach your copy of the thank you page to your list, so that anyone who opts into your list will be taken to the thank you page. On all the emails on the follow-up series will take them also to your thank you page. For that, you need to go back to the page manager menu, and that's to grab the link for your thank you page, which is right here. Well, you can just copy it from here or click on it to open the page, and then you can copy it from the top of your browser. So copy, I just copied it, and then I will go back to my list that I created, click on the gear to edit, and then here is exactly what you want to put your thank you page link. So Control V to paste it, and then of course don't forget to go down and save and activate. And now you want to import and rebrand the follow-up email series, and to rebrand them you need two information: your first name and your link for your thank you page, so that every email that goes out to your future subscribers will send them to your copy of the thank you page and will be signed off with your first name. Now to do that, go to List Manager. On your list, click on these two envelopes here and then click Import. So we will provide the share code for the follow-up email series here, and then check replace all existing episodes. And for the welcome email, you put yes if available, and then you click Import now. I just did that, and as you can see, it's asking me to enter my first name and enter the thank you page URL or link. So this is very important. I want to go to my thank you page, copy the link of my thank you page, your thank you page, and then of course paste it here. And the first name, you can just put your first name here, for example John. One important thing that you need to know about Leads Leap, if you are a free member on Leads Leap, you cannot use this option here. You cannot use follow-up email series, but if you are an upgraded member, you can of course get the follow-up email series set up automatically into your account. So at this point, if I click on replace and import now, all the 10 emails actually, including the welcome email, will be set up with this list and will go out automatically to your future subscribers every day. And here is exactly how it will look like. So the thank you email will go on day 0, right away after opt-in, and the others will go every day. Now the last step is to rebrand your funnel pages, capture page and thank you page by putting your own affiliate links on them. And to do that, you have to go back to Page Manager here, and then let's start with the thank you page. For example, what you need to do is click on Launch Editor to get access to the editing area where you can change things. And of course, one of the important things you need to change is your affiliate link that goes on this button. This button will take your affiliate link for the free offer strategy system. So on your copy of the thank you page, click on this link here that will take you to the JV page right here, and then of course, as we saw before, request your affiliate link here, copy it, and then go back to the editor and then paste it right here on this button. So you select it, go to the right hand side, and here you select go to website on a new tab, and then click here and Control V and paste your affiliate link from Warrior Plus here. That will take them to the sales page of the free offer strategy, and of course save the changes. Now you want also to change your affiliate links for the 3 programs here. This is Leads Leap, so you need to put on this orange button your Leads Leap affiliate link, put it here. This is Easy Clicks, which is a great program that delivers high quality traffic. You want also to go actually to Warrior Plus here, and then go to the menu affiliates and then offers, and then you want to search for the word Easy Clicks with an X, enter. You will see it here, click on it, and then of course request your affiliate link right here. You copy this affiliate link and then go back to your editor and plug it to this button here. So you want to put that affiliate link right here and save the changes. And you do the same thing for the Traffic Blaster Pro. So you go search for the affiliate page on Warrior Plus, come back, select this button and copy your affiliate page right here. I mean your affiliate link right here, and save the changes. Now for the ebook, for the delivery, this button is already linked to the ebook online. It does not have any affiliate links inside of it. It's just pure content. You can leave it as it is, but you can also turn your document, your Word document, to PDF and attach it to this button. On the delivery, on your copy of the thank you page, of course, people will go to the bottom, click on this button here, and as you can see, it will open the ebook for them to read online, or click this button here to download. And as you can see, there are no links inside of it. People will just read pure content. Now you don't have to change anything else on the thank you page. Just make sure that you plugged in your affiliate link here for the free offer strategy, and you plugged in your affiliate links for Leads Leap, Easy Clicks and Traffic Blaster Pro. Here is the delivery. Here are some important information to read, and that's it. We will go ahead now and rebrand the capture page. Go back to your page manager on the left, and then find the capture page that you created earlier, and then click Launch Editor, and you will do the same thing that we just did on the thank you page. So don't touch anything here. You can just go to these 3 programs here, plug in your Leads Leap affiliate link here, and the Easy Clicks program affiliate link right here, and the Traffic Blaster Pro right here, and save the changes. So now your capture page is ready to receive traffic. Anyone who clicks here on this button will see the opt-in form, and if he opts in, he will go to your list and receive the follow-up email series. Let's do a quick test for the capture page. So this is our copy of the capture page. Let's refresh it, and if I click on this button, here is the opt-in form popping up, and if someone puts his email address, clicks the button, he will go to your email list, and we will be right away redirected to your affiliate link for the free offers. Thank you very much for attending this training to the end. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section if you are on YouTube, or use the menu below to contact me.